how to optimize images in WordPress. So we do that with a plugin called, type here image, for example. I have this one, WP optimize. So we go add plugin, we type image, and the first one, what is it? Yeah, this one. Install this one and activate it. I already did that. And then when you go to media, okay. Then you go to WP optimize images. All right. Then you will see that you have images here that are not compressed. So select all and then compress the selected images. I already did that to myself and it will take time, but stick with it and it will maximize your site speed. And thank me later. Hope you got this right, and thank you so much for watching. See you.